Hi, I'm Katie. I'm down here from Portland, Oregon. I work at Rock, Paper, Scissors in Southeast Portland. I think education is important because after being in the industry for 15 years, I think it's easy to get bored or lose some creativity and get into the mode of just doing things the way that you always do things. And so I find that education helps inspire creativity. It helps you look at hair in a different way. And it's just fun, and it's something to do as much for your clients as it is for yourself. I love pony education. I would live here if I could. Karina is amazing. Knows what she's doing. She knows what she's talking about. She is hilarious and entertaining as well. She makes it fun. She keeps it fresh, and I learn something every time I come. Even when I'm not sure if I am going to learn something or take something away, I have aha moments every time I come to pony education. Karina helps you look at the hair in a very intuitive way, and I really love that she focuses on suitability as well as technique. And I owe most of what I know about cutting with a straight razor to Karina. Pony education is a fun and fresh way to approach hair and to learn a new tool if you haven't used the razor before. Karina is a master at helping you understand the razor and how to use it, and also how to create haircuts that suit each person individually. Well, when I was creating a layer, I was actually coming from it at this angle, and I just assumed that it was supposed to feel kind of awkward because it felt really awkward. And as soon as Misha turned me around and I started going this way, it totally changed everything, and it feels totally natural. And yeah, pony education is awesome, and if you haven't taken a class here, you should, because it will change the way that you look at hair.